Hey guys, Get Level here, and today I have a brand new overlay pack for you. This one is called Bubbles, and it's sort of a cute-ish overlay pack. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that is included. I'm first going to show you how it's supposed to look like once you've installed it, and then I'm going to go one by one to show you every single file that is included. This is not going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to install it or customize it, because I already have so many tutorials on how to do that, which will be linked in the product description. But here we go. So let's start with the starting soon screen. So this is the starting soon screen. As you can see, there is a labels bar right here. It is actually separate, so you will have access to an affiliate one, a non-affiliate one, also a blank one if you want to put your own icons. This is the intermission screen. As you can see here, we have my camera, and then top right you will have gameplay. You can actually swap those because they're both 16:9, I believe, and on the right is where your chat is supposed to go. The labels bar is down there, but since it's separate, you can actually put it wherever you want, really. Let's go to the game scene, and here we are in the game scene. So this is a narrow camera overlay. It's kind of a square. There's also a wide one if you would prefer that, and that's pretty much all there is to it. There's a labels bar at the bottom, and let's go to the Be Right Back scene right here. So very similar to the starting soon one, and then the stream ending. Of course, I don't advise you using a stream ending screen because you're gonna lose viewers when you could be rating someone with them. So let me show you what's included in the pack. So every single file in the pack is actually gonna be a PNG file, and let's go through them. Right here you have an avatar, which is transparent, so you can put a picture of yourself, put this on top of it in any editing software, so that you can have an avatar that matches the overall theme a little bit better. Here we have a background in case you want to customize it or do whatever you want. This is the banner. This is what it's going to look like. This is that narrow webcam overlay. Here we have the wide webcam overlay. This is what it looks like. And this is the affiliate labels bar. Here we have the Blink labels bar, so you can put your own icon if you're streaming to other platforms such as YouTube or Facebook Gaming or anything else. You can customize that yourself. And this is the non-affiliate. You will have an icon for followers, for donators, and then top donators. This is the offline image for your Twitch channel, of course, and then there's a background for the offline image. There's a Be Right Back scene that we saw. This is the intermission scene. The space here is actually transparent, so the camera is gonna go behind. Also, the gameplay is gonna go behind, and then the starting soon, as we saw, the stream ending, boom. And then on top of that, what you're going to also have is all the panels, including a blank one that you can customize if you would like to. So there's the about, artwork, there's 22 of them. You should have everything you need. And if you don't have everything you need, then there will be a link in the product description that will send you to a spot where you can actually customize them and basically create your own scene and also your own panels. That's pretty much everything that's included in this pack. Hopefully you guys like this one. If you do, please leave me a comment, and when you download it, don't forget to put 5 stars. I was getting a lot of requests for cuter overlays, so I decided to make this one. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, once again, please read the product description over and over and over and over again because every single question is actually answered right there. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. Get Level out.